is okay with here. I have to check that every time now because I should have been checking it before. Um, but just because I uploaded, or I didn't upload, but I recorded like 5 videos and they didn't really turn out the way that I wanted them to. Let's see. Let's go live over here and check it over here. All right, we're live on Twitch and we are live on YouTube from what I see. We got 2 people watching on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button as soon as you get in here. It does help out. It really does. What's up? Good morning. Good morning. How are you doing all day long? Good morning. Barry B. AMC, let's go. That's what I like to hear. I mean, we're all in on AMC, right? Been all in on AMC for a while. Can't wait to exit my Zom position. I hear you. I totally hear you. It sucks to hold something that has, been negative for so long, but just know when it does go positive, it's gonna feel so much better. It's gonna feel so amazing. Like if you actually invested in Zom and it went up a little bit, you wouldn't feel as good as if you get to like you're holding it for quite some time and then it goes up to that same amount it would have went up to, or you thought it was gonna go up to right there. It feels just a lot better, I would say. Anytime I'm negative and it goes positive, I'm like, this is pretty amazing. It's just a waiting game, really. Doing great, ready for the day. That's good to hear. What's up, y'all? All is well. That's good to hear. Goldie. Good morning. Good morning. How's everybody doing? Everybody else doing this morning? Thank you guys for stopping by. Got 23 people here. Make sure you guys hit the like button. New LRC video coming soon. That'll be nice. Yeah, I haven't done one in a while. I actually recorded one on Friday, but it didn't have audio, and I didn't have time to record um, another one, so I decided to not uh, record it again. So eventually, yes, I will record another one. It's great to be able to see LRC at the prices that it's actually at, because creates new buying opportunities, right? I wanted to buy some more. I bought some more farm today, which we can get into later. I wanted to buy some more compound, and then I defaulted to buying more OMG, but both of them I don't believe went through. So I don't know why it's not going through. I really don't. Maybe I'm buying too much because I'm buying like $4,000 worth, and maybe since I'm buying too much, it's just not going through. Maybe it's flagging it, like my bank account is flagging it. That might be a possibility. Um, okay, I do want to throw. We have 39 people here, so I do want to take this time to throw a shout out to all of the Patreon members. I didn't get a chance to put that actually in the stream because we had an update to the Patreon list. Another person was added, another person actually left. So if you guys want to join the Patreon, feel free to hit that link down below and get shout outs. Usually I put it on the screen, but I don't have that ready right now, so I'll leave it at that. But I do want to throw that shout out. Also, if you guys want to pick up the new merch that I didn't officially drop because I still don't have, like, I want to build the page for it. But basically, this is what our merch is going to be called, Profits Apparel. You can go to profitsapparel.com and actually find these shirts. Pro Fits, because it's a pro fit, but it's also profits. I feel like that's a fitting name. So definitely go to profitsapparel.com and get your own shirt, hoodie, and all that stuff. We'll definitely update all different types of gear. Yeah, I figure since I didn't buy my car, I don't know if everybody noticed or I talked about it, but I didn't buy a new car. I was supposed to buy a new car last week, and I didn't buy a new car just because the price didn't really fit. I thought it was an athletic line at first for pro fits. Yeah, that's yeah. I mean, that's what it's all about. It's like a dual meaning, you know. No Lambo, Porsche. No, not yet. Not yet. I don't think I'm gonna buy one of those just because I live in like Reading. I feel like that's not the place to go. Like for golf or something. Yeah, I mean we can use it in both like both areas. So when I have my golf apparel that drops whenever I decide to consistently upload there, I think we can drop some apparel there as well as looking at these shirts. So we got a lot of stuff. You guys want to check it out? I think it's really good stuff. I got a couple of more shirts and things coming as well. Matt, have you been following SafeMoon at all? Rumor has it it's coming to Coinbase. Wanted your thoughts on it. For SafeMoon, my thoughts are basically I'm holding the position, right? I'm holding it at 25 million coins. And I think SafeMoon, they have a burn rate. They have a burn rate that's set up with every like sell order that you have. Basically, like 5% ends up getting burned off. But it's not a heck of a lot. As you see the volume increase, yes, you'll see more and more get burned off, which increases the price. So it's not necessarily a horrible thing. So when people, when they buy into SafeMoon from where it gets introduced to Coinbase or whatever other platform it can get introduced to, I think this would sorry, I read something and I got AMC to 200, AMC to record high this week, $200. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Um, how often do you update your golf clubs? Not that often. I have like two sets and I actually want to buy some more, but I want to get some fitted to me. But anyways, um, where was I going with this? Somebody asked me something and now I forgot. SafeMoon. So my thoughts on SafeMoon is that since they do have this burn rate, it's going to be something that is big. I love burn rates because you're essentially decreasing that value, or sorry, you're decreasing the supply, which increases the value of the coin, per coin, basically. So as you go along in the future, it's really unpredictable how much will actually get burned off, depending how much the volume is. We can see 1 billion in volume and see a massive amount that's actually burned off. We can see 10 billion in volume and see a massive amount that's burned off. So I've had the SafeMoon and I'm sitting on it for quite some time. It's in my Trust wallet and or no, it's not in my Trust wallet. It's in my Gate.io and I'm letting it sit there because I feel like this could be bigger depending on what the volume is, what the burn ends up being based on the volume. So it could be pretty big. Whoa, 25 million V2? Thought I had a ton of one. Wait, a ton at 1 million V2? What's sorry, I'm confused. What's SafeMoon version 2? Is that what we're going with? Cuz I don't know. I would say no. Did you integrate to SafeMoon V2? I didn't. I didn't. SafeMoon version 2. I have to look it up because I haven't looked into it much because I've been letting it sit there. I didn't know that they had a version 2. Thank you for watching on Twitch. We got 4 people on Twitch. What's good, Matt? Wanted to know, was you able to look into Stratos? I really think it's a big move for where we're going to go with the internet and how it can be used. I didn't get a chance to look into Stratos. I remember it, but I didn't get a chance to look in Stratos. So let me. I gotta bring up market cap. So no, I'll have to take some time. I haven't had much time on my hands. This weekend was pretty busy. As some people know in the Discord group, I was really distant, like really distant. Typically, I'm not super active. Like I'll give out alerts and different information and all that stuff, but I'm not super active. But this weekend, I really had like a couple of times where I had a second. Let's see. Yeah, I haven't had a chance to look into it at all. But here it is. You know, currently at 20% of the total supply. I don't like that, but it is still in the millions. You are looking at a $29 million market cap. I think this was something that I was sort of interested in just because of the low market cap. How low that market cap is shows a massive amount that it could increase from where it is at $1.50. So, yeah, it looks decent, especially since the fact that I can get it on gate.io. I think I was looking to make a move into this, but I totally forgot. And you know what? Let me check my list of coins. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to have to. Yeah, I'm going to have to make a move on that. Okay. I'll check it out a little bit more and then we'll do that because I got to do a little bit more research on it. But right now, at the small market cap that it is, and hopefully we can pick up in popularity. Yeah, I think that could be big. But I have to check out more information about it because I don't know a lot. So hopefully I remember. I will add it to my list again of checking out these coins. Stratos, because it is here. I just got to make sure. Check it now or today. Okay, perfect. Yeah, because again, 29.5 million market cap. That's really low. To say even to get to 1 billion, and if it's going to be something that's a big player and get to 10 billion, you can easily not only 10 extra money or 20 extra money, you can probably 100 extra money, if not way more than that. So it's definitely interesting to me. All right, we have 92 people here, guys. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you are not subscribed, it does help out. Good evening from Hong Kong. Well, thank you for watching. Yes, have you not migrated yet? I have not. I haven't even touched it. I haven't looked into it. I was just waiting for things to move and I haven't heard any information about it because I haven't looked up. Yeah, you need to migrate. Look into trying to they're trying to shut down version 1 soon. All right, I'll have to add a note to that as well. What's the difference between, if anybody can give me the cliff notes, the difference between version 1 and version 2? One and V2. All right, we'll leave that there. Perfect. Let's see. Plus you have to pay BNB to migrate, and I don't have BNB in my wallet. How much do you have to pay? Is it pretty expensive, or can we still? It depends how many you have, I guess. Can we still buy AMC, or did they take away the buy button? I don't think they took away the buy button, not just yet. You can still buy it, but yeah, just wait. They're gonna probably do that sometime, as it is increasing. It will suck. You never know what they can do at those moments. So that's the kind of unknown piece of it, and there's a lot of unknown pieces to it where they can manipulate whatever they want. But I don't think they can get past the fact that we're gonna see this thing skyrocket. I have a strong feeling that I don't know if it'll happen by the end of the year, whether we will see a massive increase this week, or whether we will see something as in the new year. I'm thinking it's going to happen in the new year, but a lot of people in the past, even including me, were saying that we would see this large pump by the end of the year. And there were actually I believe a lot of call options in December waiting for this to, like, out of the money call options. So I know I had two for 145 that expired on the 17th. Why is there a new version of SafeMoon? I don't know. That's news to me. You can migrate on their SafeMoon by AMC. Make sure you route. Uh, it's a 1,000 to 1 consolidation. Oh, so then I would have way less. Is that what that's all about? Why are they doing? Are they still going to have the burn rate associated with it? So what does that come down to for circulating supply? For some reason, my math not really functioning. The 600. I don't think that's enough. That's enough zeros. Million, million. Sometimes I lose track. It's 600 trillion, right? It's 600 trillion. It taking off 3 zeros. So you're doing that at 600 billion. Is that what it's gonna get you? 600 billion, which is not bad. And if they still have a burn rate, that actually does a big deal on the. But the only thing is that you're taking away 3 zeros from me. So instead of looking at 25 million, I'm now looking at 25,000. That sucks. The reverse split, as usual, it's not a good thing. Yeah, cost me like $5. Okay, that's not that bad. More than any crypto dips you like, Matt? Yeah, I was looking at a couple of dips. So I'm actually looking heavily at Compound. I wanted to put $4,000 into Compound. It wouldn't let me do it. I don't know why. So then I defaulted to trying to put $4,000 into OMG. That's at a low price. And then I also see Gitcoin at a low level of $8.54 from where it was recently of $28. I see that, and I'm really hype about where that can get to and hover back around that $14 mark, which would be great to see this almost double. I don't know why I did quotes there, but almost double to a level of $14 or $15 or so, right? That's what I'm looking at as those dips. But there are a couple of other things. Like I said, as you can see, OMG is at 500 or $5.65. Again, I was looking to buy 4,000. I can't hook up my one bank account to Coinbase Pro. I only have my other bank account hooked up to it, which only has my withdrawals. So anything that I have from Webull or Coinbase Pro, or even Coinbase, I withdraw into my other bank account so that I can equally distribute it to a different place. So yeah, we have 125 people here, guys. Make sure you hit that like button. If you guys haven't had a chance to do it, feel free to just take a second. Just hit that like button. It does help me out, as well as hitting that subscribe button if you guys are interested. We have an alert box that gives me an alert when people subscribe. So if you subscribe, it does help out. Again, if you guys want to check out the new merch, I have a new merch, and the what's it called? The merch name, I guess. I'm kind of new to all that. I just applied for this domain name and everything. I'm hype about it. It's Profits Apparel. So if you guys want to go to profitsapparel.com, you'll get right to it, and you'll see all the different lines. Right now, you'll just see this. And I think there's a couple of other like shirts. There's also some joggers if you guys want to check it out. So yeah, I don't pitch my own products. New to me. Let's see. Do you think AMC will? Someone that went away. What was it? AMC will reach a new high week, not financial advice. Why did somebody get? Oh, it's because they were spamming. I'll answer your question. I'm sorry that I didn't get a chance to answer it. But yeah, I'll answer it now. Do I think that it'll get to a new high this week? I mean, it has a chance, right? People are looking for this to make a move to these levels, and they were looking for it to make a move by the end of the year. It's still possible that we could see a massive increase, because we've seen a massive increase in literally the first week of June, right? We saw that go from a level of $12 or so, right, up to a level of 20, up to a level of 30, up to a level of 50, up to a level of 70, right? We've seen that in the matter of like a week. So seeing that we have like 1.5 weeks left, right? I think it's definitely possible, right? It's definitely possible. Now, what are the chances that it happens? I mean, it's probably, I would say, I don't know, 30%. It could be 50-50, but I would say 30% just because it's less likely that it will happen and more likely that we'll see it within that first quarter of 2022. But then again, I mean, it's it's going to be a new year, and I feel like that wouldn't be good for them to take massive losses into the new year. They'd rather have that as a realized loss in a way, or maybe they just don't want to realize it. You never really know. We have 135 people here, guys. Again, hit the like button. I only have 106 shares of AMC. Transfer doesn't go through, and I have too many fake shares. They will transfer fidelity to fine. I have 30 GME around 150, 1K loop ring, all in. Wait, all in on the partnership. That's good to hear. That's good to hear. And it's great for you to have your own decision, make your own decision when it comes to that. I'm still pissed that I couldn't get any more. I mean, I could probably buy in sections, but it just sucks. And I don't want to have to pay a fee over in Coinbase. But right now, my Coinbase account, Algorand is down quite a bit. Cosmos is down quite a bit. Tezos looks like a freaking amazing price. I'm going to have to do something there. I'm going to have to. What's the low price that this has gotten to? If this is at literally the lowest price that it's been, I'm putting I guess it probably hasn't. $2.15 is one of the lowest prices. So can it get back down to that level? Tough to say. Shoot. Because I would like to buy a good bit of Tezos because it's a 4.63% APY. But if I put it in here, it's something I don't want to take out. But I want to make a quick trade. Quick trade would probably be something like Gitcoin or OMG Network, or even some of the other ones that I've seen. If we go into some information here just to see what had maybe some of the biggest losses, we can see that Jasmine is probably a good position to get in and out. I feel like Krill might make a move up to $2 or so. Compound, again, that's one that I wanted to get into for a quicker gain towards the end of the year, but I didn't really get a chance to buy it. Farmcoin, the request, Cosmos again, but that's another position that I would hold for a while. Gala, yeah, there's a lot of ones that hit really low lows, like Algorand. That's definitely a lower low, and you could see that easily go up to $2 or $3. If you don't hit the like button, you'll probably show your AMC. Thoughts on JP Morgan going long on GME? JP Morgan going long on GME. I didn't hear that or see it, but I would say my thoughts are that they're trying to get in on the action, any type of action. And I don't know how deep they went into it. If they went into it really, really deep, then they're just trying to get in on the action and just profit while others are failing. But they probably protected themselves pretty heavily and didn't load the boat. Load the boat. Their crooks are gonna take the tree and they dump. Do you think that's the case, that they're gonna buy it to shake the tree and get a lot of people out as you see it increase a heavy amount? Old thing you speak of. Reasonable assumption. An unhedged position, and they sold all of their puts. Yeah, you never really know what they're doing. That's where I struggle with it. You never really know exactly what they're doing here and what their overall plan is. You have to speculate, and if you speculate too much, then you get other people that are afraid of what could happen. If you say, "Oh, well, they're getting in to get other people out," then you may scare some people out of the position that wants to gain a decent amount. If they're like, "Oh, I want to gain something short term," then they see it go up and they're like, "You know what? I'm going to get out of it because they're going to shake the tree at this moment." it gets them scared. That's what I don't like. I don't really like the speculation behind it, but we have to speculate, right? We have to have some sort of um, thought behind it, and just hope for the best. Along a lot of things for their insurance policy. They're selling they're selling hedge funds. They may just want to sell it for a profit. Why they're talking about an upcoming short squeeze. Yeah, again, it's possible. Having diamond hands is the best way they can describe it. Yeah, I agree. It's weird. Everyone in media is floating the word short now. Of course they are. Some just want to seem right, and some just want to say that they like predicted the high of the short squeeze, and then maybe scare some people. That's a possibility. I also didn't give an update to my Wonderland or Jade protocol position. So currently Wonderland, I didn't give an update on it on my MP Shorts channel, which I was gonna do daily. I just didn't have time this weekend to do basically anything. So that was tough. So I'm still gonna update you guys. This would be day 5 or day 6. Wait, yeah, something like that. I think it's day 7 for time. So I'll update you guys as at the end of the day when I have some more rewards that I get. But currently I'm holding about 0.28 time. And right now it's valued at about $3,139. I feel like this is going to go up, and it's going to go up a heck of a lot, but currently holding about $876. So it has gone up in the amount of rewards. However, the price of time has gone down. So this price or the amount that I'm holding has gone down as well. Jade Protocol, I still don't have that. I got to connect it. Um, Whoops. Not copying. Connect my wallet. Let's see this. So let's go to the calculator on here. Let's see what we have. So currently, no, that's not my initial investment. Let's go to stake. Let's show what my actual investment is or how much I have. I have 0.1456 Jade, which is around $10 worth. Because I guess the current price of Jade is $71, and you're seeing the APY down to 277,000%. Again, doing it for experimental purposes only. I literally put $45 in there, or no, not even. I put $30 in there, and now it's at a level of $10. So again, I'm getting more Jade. I don't know what Jade will end up being in 365 days, but I know it has decreased a heck of a lot in value, and the APY has decreased as well. So again, I want to see what it will be, and if this is just to give people an update. This is literally the 4th day into it, and it has lost 66%. This is why a lot of these you don't make a move into. Maybe you could, and maybe you just wait it out. But right now, from what it's showing, the APY has gone down a heck of a lot. The price of Jade has gone down a heck of a lot. The value of my balance has gone down a heck of a lot. So it's going to be interesting. It's going to be very, very interesting to see. So if we actually look at this and keep it at a level of 71, that's what it ends at, $71 in 365 days. My future potential is supposed to be 198,000. That's with the reward that we do here. See here the percentage of 0.72%, 0.72%. Yeah. So either way, I mean, it looks like it's going to be a great return. Potential value should have been closer to 1 million, or I think it was 1 million or $2 million, something like that. And now it's at 200,000. I want to see what this can do. It's going to be pretty interesting. Just to play it all out and then take it all and put it into a video to sum it all up would be really fun. I can't wait to do that. Currently holding Wonderland, currently holding Jade, and we'll see what that ends up being. Out of here. Uh, Imagine LRC's fourth quarter announcement is on December 31st, right before midnight. I mean, I can imagine it. I don't know how this all will play out, with the whole announcement, if there is even an announcement for connection to GME in a way. I just see it better without any type of an announcement. Hope AMC goes to 25, goes to 25 more, 25 more dollars. But what? $25 more shares to load before. I don't know what that means. I hope no one thought 72 was a squeeze. Yeah, 72 was not a squeeze. It was a massive increase, a decent sized increase from where it was, especially like people making as much as they were from options, from just holding shares. But you did have some people that were selling off. You gain hundreds of thousands of dollars. I expect you to make those moves. I understand people want everybody to hold, but I expect you to say, "Oh, I made $200,000. You know what? How about I capture $100,000 of that, and the rest can stay in there. I'm perfectly happy with whatever I have." You know what I mean? So I totally understand it pulling back, and I always understand it pulling back before that one mark, right? You go from $1 to $10, you're going to see it pull back just because it's hitting that one mark or close to it, right? So you're going to see most likely see it pull back at $8, which we did see that battle of 801, right? Then you see it go up to other levels, whether it's $20, $50, $100, right? I say those one levels because it's $1, $10, $100, $1,000, $10,000, $100,000, things like that. You'll see it pull back before those levels because people want to predict where it's going to pull back from. And that was one of those. From 170 was a level to where people were like, all right, I'll accept this. Max coverage for your stock portfolio is 500,000, including 250,000 for cash held at the broker. How do you feel about Jade Protocol removing the backing per Jade off their website? I mean, it's sketchy, right? Um, but I think what I'm doing is literally just testing out different things. That's why I didn't put hundreds of dollars into there. I mean, I feel like with Time Wonderland, I put a little bit more into there, but Jade Protocol, I put in less just to test it out to see what it ends up being. So I know that there's a possibility that it's not what it's hyped up to be, I guess. And we'll just have to see. This is why I didn't put a heck of a lot. And this is why you should never risk more than what you're willing to lose, because you could lose everything. You see how that came down by 66%. Anybody that put money into that beforehand lost 66%, right? I see a couple of people that made videos on it that have the price has dropped down from 200 plus down to $71. And I know for sure that they did not make their money back or even close to their money. So I would imagine that they probably either pulled out or they're holding it and they're going to basically do the same thing I'm doing, but with just more money. So, yeah, it's tough. LRC is down the rest of the, wait, with the rest of the market. Likely Hedges getting money, keep shorting stocks. I think you're going to have, yes, hedge funds that are pulling out of some of their long positions, I guess, in order to keep doing that. But yeah, I mean, you're seeing kind of today. It's not really a bloodbath, so that's good. AMC is not the most positive thing, but it's not really a bloodbath across the board because I can see some things that are slightly positive. However, we do see a lot of red. Um, but yeah, I think you're sort of right. Puts on infrastructure or EV plays will be smart today. I think electric vehicle plays will be well. Electric vehicle plays are usually uh, a smart play. Fidelity, Google Fidelity portfolio insurance. when LRC is blowing. When's LRC blowing? Well, we have to see the crypto market pick up first before we can predict that. Because we could say tomorrow, we could say today, but we don't know when the crypto market is going to come back, going to bounce off of a lot of these low levels. Because you see crypto, uh, completely pulling back like daily. It's down another 3.41% today, down to $2.13 trillion, where we saw this up in the level of $3 trillion, $4 trillion not too long ago. Guys, I'm going to go to members only right now just to see what members have to say. But it seems like members are really only commenting anyways, besides a couple of people. So I was thinking about taking 5K and go on a new crap coin buying spree just to see what happens. I hear you. That's not really a bad idea. It's just I wouldn't label them as like crap coins because sometimes you can find any of these like crap coins here, like um, for a better term, shit coins here, and you could say, oh, well, you know what? All of these coins are going up by 200%, 150%, or whatever. Um, but a lot of times you're going to find that you get into things that decrease just as much as the ones that do increase. So I would say find some coins that have a low market cap, that have some popularity behind it. Maybe go on gate.io, see the popularity, see the market cap, see anything that's new, anything that just launched, all of that stuff. Go on whatever platform that you can buy new coins with, and then, make those moves. Again, this is not financial advice, but you can definitely find some really big movers doing that. And that's what I was looking to do, but I always default to getting something like Litecoin or Ethereum or whatever it ends up being, whatever I end up getting. It's just more or something that's more stable, more predictable, right? That's just me. Morning, everyone. Fire King 30. Didn't see you on Friday. Join up, peeps. It's only 99 cents. Yeah, make it only 99 cents, guys. If you guys want to join, feel free to do so. Also, if you want to check out my merch line, feel free to do so. I'm really loving the design of this, and Erica loves it. Profits Apparel. If you go to profitsapparel.com, you will, get to this. It's good. So definitely check it out. The link is in the description if you guys want to check it out and order your shirts. I suggest washing it after you get it because it's like I guess they print it on with like glue and it smells like glue. It's just weird. But then once you wash it, it's like perfect. So check it out. You get a new subscriber? Got Rick James. Rick James has became a member. Thank you for joining, Rick James. I appreciate it. Welcome to the group. Welcome to the community. Was supposed to be off work, but since we're short staffed, they asked me to work. Turns out I like money more than myself. I hear you. I love money too as well. I too as well. I said that. But yeah, I do love money as well. And Erica will tell you that. I'm thinking about just launching just launch coins. If 10% make money, then I think I will be fine. Yeah, I think you are okay, but you have to do a little bit of research, not just, hey, this just launched on whatever platform. I think you need to do a little bit of research because some things that launch end up having a buy the rumor, sell the news, rather than just like, oh, this is a new launch. Let's dive into this. You know what I mean? There's a lot of positions that will get the heads up. Hey, this is being launched on this platform. Buy it now, and they'll buy it all up, and then once it launches, they'll sell it off. So you need to watch out for those. So make sure you look for something that's increasing a lot. If the popularity is way too much beforehand, you might see a dive in popularity as it gets launched on that platform. Cocaine is a hell of a drug. Yeah. The Fire King, I'm watching that Solana play to see how much its base actually shows up. Idea of what might happen with DWAC. I bought your album years ago, Rick James. Thanks, it means a lot. Rick James slapped Charlie Murphy. Is that what we're doing now? We ain't playing. Watch Dave Chappelle. Unity. These guys are going insane. I haven't watched the Chappelle show in forever, and I guess they took it off of Netflix because you know they weren't paying Chappelle for it. But thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for being a part of the community. Anybody that just does join in as a member, anybody that does subscribe, I appreciate you guys. Anybody that does hit the like button, I really appreciate you. And all the Patreon members, thank you guys for joining up. Um, but yeah, I think we're good. Also, if you guys want to comment, you can go over to Twitch and you can comment over there. That does help out. Do you think we'll see a rebound in crypto in the crypto market in the new year? Definitely in the new year. The question is, will it happen before the new year? That's what we want to see, because we want to see things increase before the new year. We want to see everything skyrocket before the new year happens. And then we'll start to see that continuation throughout the year. That's what I want. But I think we'll definitely see that happen in the new year, whether it happens literally January 1st, or it happens like maybe like within that first week. But I think we're gonna see some big movers. Chappelle's Sticks and Stones special on Netflix is out of control. I couldn't stop laughing. Yeah, I watched every special he has. I say, what do I think of Neo? Like the singer? Somebody retracted their message. Oh, see. So yeah, I ended up buying more. Wait, sorry. Uh, Matt, when do the markets close for Xmas and open up again after? If you're talking about the stock market, the crypto market doesn't close. I don't believe that that's 24/7, and you're never going to have that close. You're always going to have that activity. But the stock market closes. Let's see, Christmas. Let's see. Yeah, Christmas Eve it's open. It's closed Christmas Day, and it's open New Year. But is it closed New Year's Day? New Year's Day. Open New Year's Eve, and New Year's Day it's closed. So it's just Christmas Day and New Year's Day. And yeah, it doesn't close early like it does on the day after Thanksgiving. Day after Thanksgiving, it closes at 1 p.m. That's what the stock market did close. Um, but for Christmas Eve, it's open. Christmas Day is closed. Uh, Christmas Eve or New Year's Eve, it's open. New Year's Day, it's closed. So there you go. There you have it. Let's see. See if it has a doesn't have an early close. Oh wait, it does. Um, so Thursday? Oh yeah, Thursday, December 23rd, the day before Christmas Eve. The day before Christmas Eve, it says we're looking at New York Stock Exchange, Nasdaq, bond market. Um, let's see. The day before Christmas Eve, markets are open. The bond market closes early at 2 p.m. Christmas Eve, Christmas Eve, Friday the 24th. It says it's closed. And Christmas Day. What? That doesn't make sense. This whole entire thing doesn't make sense. I don't even know at this point. It just confused me because it told me it was closed and it told me it was open, then it told me it was closed. So everyone just keeps buying the positions you believe in. Don't worry about the price. if the position is good, it will eventually increase in value. Yes, if you believe in a lot of these prices, just because it falls down, like for me, Farmcoin, people say all the time, "Oh, you first invested at 250. It's down to $88. Why are you so heavy into this position?" Well, first, the reason why it's down to $88 is because we saw the crypto market pull down so much, and you're going to see a lot of lower cap, uh, coins that actually get hit a lot harder than some of the larger cap coins, right? So this goes down to $88. I'm happy. One, that was one. Two, I'm starting to sound like two is I actually wanted this to come down to a level of 80, a level of 50, a level of 40. I wanted it to come down in the beginning, and I was hoping for this. So if it does come down here, I'm going to buy more, which I did. I bought 10 more just today at $88. So I'm bringing that cost basis down as we do see it lower and lower. And I did buy more as it was creeping down because that wasn't the full amount that I wanted to put in there. I would love to put 10,000 into there as at a whole. Right now, I put in probably about 5,500, so I am down on the total amount that I put in there. But I do see a large increase here. If I have 50 coins, this shows an ability to easily get to $1,000. So if I go to my crypto potential spreadsheet, you see Farmcoin, and it shows easily that they can get to $1,000. $1,000 would be less than a $1 billion market cap. It would be $653 million market cap. Now, if you're telling me that $653 million market cap is not possible, I would say that's BS. It definitely is possible. So to get to $1,000 is kind of like the understatement of the year. I expect this to get to a way higher level. So what do I plan on doing if it gets to $1,000? If it gets to $1,000, I take out $10,000. So then I'll take out 10 coins, and that means that I have 40 left. So for the long run, whatever that ends up getting to, it doesn't matter. All of it is gravy because I invested 5,500, which means that I can literally take out just 10 and still end up profiting a heck of a lot and put it wherever I want to, right? Then whatever is left, it's still, no matter what, will be profit. So if I can see this run out for the next 2 years or whatever, and it gets to $15,000, I'll take that. $15,000 per coin holding 40, I'll take it. Right? So that's just a small glimpse of what this could be. Now, if it comes down even more, down to a level of $50, of course I'm going to try and buy more. I'm hoping that it could happen, like soon. Maybe I should buy more right now. That's definitely a possibility to take $4,000 and buy more because I have $4,000 that I want to put into a place, but I can't do it because Coinbase won't allow me to buy $4,000 worth. I don't know why. How does a burn increase coin? When you have an increase in supply, it decreases the market cap. So say if you decrease, let's say Shiba Inu, it goes from a level of, let's go here. Let's just say this right here. So Harvest Finance, just to give you an example. Current supply is 650,000, right? Let's say they decided to burn off some coins and it currently is at $84. The price is not just going to update right away. What we're going to see is the market cap update. So it goes down to a level of, hey, 500,000, right? 500,000. Now we're looking at a $42 billion market cap. It's not that big of a difference, but it's a $42 billion market cap at the same price. Now, what does that do? It keeps the same demand with it. So people are still looking to buy it at the same demand, if not more, because they do have that news that the price went down. Now, if it stays at the same demand, this means that the price does go up because, obviously the demand is high compared to the supply that's actually there. So it increases that price to, let's say, $90 or whatever it ends up getting to. What was the market cap before this? Market cap before this was 54. So if I wanted to get to 54 at that's 50,000. At 500, that's not working. At 500,000, you're basically going to say, I want to get this to 125, I guess. 125 would get you, I guess, close to it. So you would increase that price to whatever the level is to reach that market cap that you were previously at, because that's where the demand actually lies. So it increases the price just because of the fact that the supply goes down, the market cap remains the same because of the demand that goes into it, but now the supply is less, which means the price goes up. So it's just like what you saw with Shiba Inu, where the price actually didn't change because people thought that the supply was wrong, that it was just updated. It was just updated in the wrong way, and Coinbase had it wrong. All the platforms had it wrong. However, once they got word that it was right, you saw the price start to decrease because they started to react in a different way because of supply and demand, right? You can see that the market cap automatically updated. So when you do have that listing where it was at like what, $50 billion market cap. Let me change this just so I don't lose what I was doing. But if you have the market cap where it was at $50 billion market cap and the supply went up, just because people were like, oh, this is flawed, this is not real, the market didn't react a certain way. However, you saw the market cap adjust. So then once you saw the that everything was set in stone, that was right, you saw the price start to adjust. When they burn holders, they get a percentage. Like burn 5% and give 2% to holders when someone sells. You're talking about SafeMoon? Hopefully crypto will cap the number of different coins available. Getting too saturated. What do you think? Yeah, I mean, I think they should find a way to do something to all of these extra coins that we've seen. Like I said, the biggest problem with Shiba Inu, I think, is more or less like having so many different copycats. And that's for every meme coin, right? If you have a coin that has popularity, people will copy it, right? So Shiba, so many people will copy it. Doge, so many people will copy it. But you won't see many people, let's say, copy Litecoin, right? They're not going to go out and create new Litecoin or whatever. You're not going to see as many copycats as you would with something like Shiba because it has more popularity. Even though Litecoin is still popular on Coinbase based on the amount of people buying it and holding it, it won't have as many copycats because it's not a quote unquote a meme coin or a meme token. So it's a different story with a lot of those coins. But yeah, I think they need to do something about all of these extra coins that are out there, because if I search on Coinbase, again, I search for anything that's remotely a meme, right? If I search for Shiba, then that didn't Shiba. I search for Shiba, I'm gonna get a ton of different things. Right? I won't get Shiba Inu right away. I'll get a ton of coins, and then eventually I'll get Shiba Inu, and you'll just get a bunch of different stuff. Does it say how many are actually here? How many are in the results? It doesn't let me. It doesn't let me know. Probably too many. You search for things like Doge, right? You're going to get a ton of things, and then you're going to get Dogecoin all the way down the list, right? All the way down here. And you can see some that actually have a pretty high market cap, seeing Dogelon Mars at $548 million market cap. You can see some that have a 1.4 million, which is considered low, but a lot of these coins, I mean, don't really mean anything. I think we make blockchain if the main chain somehow decides not to let people make tokens anymore. Yeah. Again, I want to make a coin. I feel like if it's this easy to make a coin, I want to make a coin that's tied to the channel in some form or fashion. And I don't know how, but I want to be able to do it. And I haven't had the time to actually do something that can automatically get launched. Like right now, I would have to, with the one that I have, I would have to create liquidity and do all of this extra stuff. I want to have something set up to where it's ready to be launched on something like maybe PancakeSwap, or actually have the popularity to launch onto a Gate.io and see what that can be. Because I think it could be something bigger, but I just need to find, like, a lot of these have no utility to them, but people are buying them because they're tied to a meme, right? And I think I want a coin that may be tied some way to a meme phrase, but not like like Doge or Shiba. Again, I want to just buy the dip coin, and that I don't think that's a horrible thing to do, and have 100,000 coins that's out there. And yeah, do it, man. My cash is ready. What? Yeah, I want to do something that's tied to the channel. Yeah, that would be fun. That'd be so fun. Just to hold it and see what it can be. You know, for everybody to hold it and see what it can be. And you know, you can make your moves left and right, and you know, treat it as if you would any other coin. Buy and sell at certain points. Let it get up to certain highs. And just go from there. And then we'll see where we can go with, like, you know, implementation and a use case and all that stuff. It would just be fun. Which chain are you wanting to buy the dip coin on? I would probably say, I guess it has to be like I don't know, a cheaper platform. I don't know if you can do it on the Avalanche network. Would love to do it there, or Binance. That would be phenomenal, right? Just something that you wouldn't have to pay a large fee. I don't want anything on the Ethereum network, because the one that I have, it costs too much to even transfer any coins, to create liquidity, to do anything you want. I tried to create liquidity by taking 10,000 of my own coins and putting it into this liquidity pool and just see what it could be. But it was saying that it was going to cost me $6,000 in order to do. And I was like, what? That doesn't make sense. There's already a dip token. It's at 11 cents. Yes, I know. Um, but I wanna create BTD. Buy the dip coin, buy the dip token. And I know there's probably dip token. Yeah, you could see it at 11 cents. But again, yes, I did already make a coin, but it costs too much to. I don't want to go anywhere with that, because it just costs too much. I don't want to do anything on the Ethereum network. I really don't. Not financial advice coin. Yeah, that's probably good. Not financial advice token. That's pretty good. I do want to make a shirt that says, like, I don't know, like buy Shiba in italic letters, and then in big letters it says not financial advice. You know, just something simple like that. I probably will make something like that. And I can't wait to wear it. Have you looked at Wish or TCAT lately? I haven't looked at it lately, but I've made some trades in the past on TCAT, and you know, been positive. When it came to Wish, though, I was negative on my trades that I made with Wish. But currently, Wish is at it's down 3% today, so it hasn't really made a huge move. Does it have a high short interest? That might be something we need to look at. Um, let's look at TCAT. TCAT is currently flat in the pre-market, so that's that. Okay, perfect. Don't forget to hit the like button, peeps. Yes, we're at 100 likes, so thank you guys for getting me to this point. I really appreciate you guys for being here. We got 6 people that are watching on Twitch. Thank you for watching over on this platform. I want to grow this platform to something a lot bigger. So again, I don't think we're going to hit 500 followers by the end of the year. But if you could help me get closer and closer to that, I would really appreciate it, because I do want to continue to stream on Twitch and continue to build a community over there as well. Is anybody in the chat on public? I'm not on public. I know we talked about it on the Discord group. I did see something there. Wish on a falling star. All right. So I think that's it, guys. We're at 9 o'clock. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out my my merch, man. I'm trying to throw this stuff out there, man. I like it. I really like this design. I think Erica and I went through a bunch of different fonts, and she said she loves this font for future future projects, future like merch lines, whatever we end up doing. It's great to be able to see that. I like it. So if you guys want to pick up one of these shirts, hit up the link down below. It's not officially launched, because I haven't done a banner or all that other stuff. But if you go to profitsapparel.com, you will see it. Thank you guys for being here, referencing the Disney cricket. Thank you for being here. Yeah, hit the like button. We will have videos later today. We will also have updates on Wonderland and Jade Protocol on my MP Shorts channel. So if you want to subscribe over there, feel free to do so. But yeah, I think that's it, guys. Thank you so much again for watching, and